The maximum value of the natural number n for which 21 power n divides 50 factorial. 50 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 all the way till 50. And now 21 is 3 into 7. We get a 3 and a 7. We can get a 21. The question is, what is the highest power of 21 that sits inside 50 factorial? Or what is the highest power of 3 and the highest power of 7 that sits inside 50 factorial? Remember, there are way more 3's than 7's. So the question effectively, what is the highest power of 7 that divides 50 factorial? 1 into 1 into 2 into 4, 3 into 4 into 5 all the way till 50. 7 will give us a 7. 14 will give us a 7. 28, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. 7 numbers will give us a 7. Within these, this 49 will give us 2 7s. 49 itself is 7 square, or 7 power 8 divides 50 factorial, or 21 power 8 divides 50 factorial, because definitely more than 3 power 8 will divide 50 factorial. The highest value of n where 21 power n divides 50 factorial is 8.